Hey guys, short video of Waha Tache getting a rebuilt transmission and driving around the island. Just a short trip because we still got some rust repair to do. Hope you enjoy. Alright, out with the old, in with the new. Got the clutches soaking now. Uh-oh, got a leak in my soaker pot. Doggone it. Oh, I'm gonna have to fix that. Oh, I was so happy too. This torque converter had a drain plug in it, so we're draining the torque converter, which is really cool. And just a piece of information, if you guys are messing with C4s, this little tool right here, I think I got it at AutoZone. OEM, the red, yeah, this same brand. It's adjustable, so you can use it. I made some a long time ago, but C4 compression stuffs for taking these spring-loaded stuff out, and it works really good. Anyway, those things are built. We're good to go there, and we're gonna let those soak for a couple hours, go to dinner, come back, and then we're gonna assemble this guy, and next one you see it, it'll be all together and happy looking. All right, got it all assembled up on the got the transmission, I'm sorry, the torque converter. I used some of the fluid from soaking the clutches. I got the torque converter in there. She set it in there solid. I got it strapped on and ready to go up in. I got this guy loose. I can't remember if it has to be off or not to put the cross member in. Cleaned off my transmission line fittings, and yeah, everything else is fixing to go in, so we'll see what we can do. All right, guys, she's in. Got everything all connected up. That vacuum kick down doesn't seem to be adjusted right, but we'll fix that. Mounts in, lines on, starter connected, whole one wire forward, love it. Drive line, she's golden grams. Oh, we're gonna give it a try. I'll lower it down and then fill it up, give it a try. Do not stomp on the gas or it'll rip that spring out. You in reverse?
Not landing right now.
Huh?
I am
Go. Try and drive around the thing. Oh, and the lights are on. Right on, buddy.
The brakes are very spongy.
I just need to adjust them. Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. I did the same thing when I pulled in the garage. That's good. Hell yeah, brother. Well, that's that. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.